Hi everyone, exciting me. How are you all doing? Guess what? I am back again with another video. So first and foremost, how are you all doing? How is everything? On a nice clean self of one. On a good up self of one. How is everybody? How is everyone doing? Okay, so first and foremost, just want to give thanks to just acknowledging the creator, acknowledging my subscriber, acknowledging all those who tune in to watch my videos. Bless and thank you so much. As we say in Jamaica, tankuno and bless up uno clean good self. Okay, so today our video will be about words that we use in Jamaica to describe a woman's private parts. I mean, you have been around Jamaicans and you have heard them talk about certain things, but I'm going to let you know what's up. I'm going to let you know what's up and what we're talking about when we use these slangs. All right, so the first one is crutches. All of these words, we use them to describe the female private part in Jamaica. So crutches, when we say crutches, we're actually talking about the female vagina. That's what we're talking about, right? So you will see a Jamaican girl say, "In Bex with me over my crutches." Yeah, that's what they mean. They will be like, what it means is that he is upset with me over my vagina. Right? So that is what that means. Pum pum. Right? Pum pum is another way that we use to describe the female vagina. My good pum pum or my pum pum. This is how they describe it. Chuni, right? It's same thing, vagina. It is referring to the vagina, right? So a girl in a Jamaica would say machuni, right? But most of the time you will hear it more in the deep rural parts of Jamaica, right? Very rare you will hear it in like the urban areas. Very rare, but you will hear it nonetheless. All right, machun chun. Yes, as I said, these mostly is in the rural part of Jamaica. You'll hear people mention these, right? So it is used also in the town area, in the